balong shisha ka jingkar ku naka benta ki Nongrep hapo ka them riboy ha ka ba menta ka sngi menri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ulapen menapai ba ling ba ka siam asya scheme ka sorkar jela ka ladap an mang hadu sauklur naka benta ka riboy district ka badai ka thong ban kyntiew ya ka yo ka kot ki Nongrep ha ka ni ka district ya ka ni la kren do mentri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ha ba shim benta kumukong san ban palat pai ba ya hadu syahjar news pa MT sinsa ban penyayo da ka sorkar ha ka jingalang balalong menta ka sngi ha ba suba brooms producer company limited kabadan ha ka shnong kli stem bahab ha mauhati constituency ha riboy district umentri rang ba ka jela konrat ke sangma ule thu ba ka sorkar jela ling ba ka siam asya scheme kaladap ban mang pisa hadu shispa klur ban kyntiew yaki Nongrep ha ka jela bat na katay ka shispa klur badang mang tang hakini ki khendiat banai ladap ban plat hadu shipo klur bat na ka shipo klur lamang hadu saw klur tingka tang na ka benta ki Nongrep ka riboy district uniu sensa balakot syahjar news pa MT bala plat yung mentri rang ba ken pa sya central Warehousing Corporation Goti nakabenta ban lilampat hadin siya kinu-kinu ki company ni ki Rio Shipment ki bala ban clear door kanang ban mentoy ki Nongrep bat ka yo ka kot ka jela haba keren hakani ka sngi menri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ula keren shai ba ka sorkar ka don ya kata ka thong ban kyntiew ya ki Nongrep hapo ka jela bat day namar kani ka daw lingba kani ka siam asya lamang pisa hadu shispa klur kabalong ka way na ka thong ba ka sorkar ka thrang ban kyntiew ya ka yo ka kot ki Nongrep lingba ki kamrep kamriang bat kamtam shakishnong nongkandong uongru ba ka sorkar jela kandon ringkat bat ki Nongrep bat kandang yai trei ringkat bat ki Nongrep hakaba lingba ki kamrep kan kyntiew ya ka yo ka kot ki Nongrep batru ba ka sorkar jela kan yo ya ka khajna da ka ba kin penyat yo ya ki marep shabar ka jela
Sabti Uja Idol Nalian Karolen terus Yang Soharu ya ko Malaysia nako nako ru ya ilas tali masente nako
After Nikagwe IBCS from Songsak East Java Hills District.
You can find me whether it's him only or not.
At least they get to see.
1, 2. Yeah.
Ngakwa ban pen kan mau yang igi pat ba Nongrep. Kumway na kinong mikmat ngala jukren ye kani hapo assembly. Sepang ki Nongrep. Nga ingo palat batang sngongo palat new chief minister jongi ubak Konrad Sangma. 4 dan. Ubala sim yi kene kesinjam. Ban yarap kerpangi ki Nongrep. Lengba kata ke skim ka bangitip ke CM Asyo. Hagapor ka bangi jenjar ngi mla bandiu sensar. Mentau sensar number 1 ngi di san pusan nengka. Number 2 kena saupo deh. Saupo bat lai po nengka. Number 3. Lada kayo kayap kat noru. Kani gedi kedor ke pelabut ke sorkar ngila banong kalong kum kata ke minimum support price MSP. Kabalong sisa ke jingkir kuyingi. Na kepor ngi juut ngi junam ya ke jing hiador ke jung sensar. Henrai kani ke kenti ngi sunguyo mensim. Banyo komunil chief minister. Bat kani ke sorkar ke jongi ke bala sim kia. Ya ke jing syak nyot jongki Nongrep.
Together. We will work together. Challenges in life will always be there. But as long as we are there for each other, as long as we support each other, we work together as a team, there is no challenge that we cannot overcome. And this is the important message that I would like to give to you. That we are not saying that we can solve every problem. But whenever the challenges are there, you will never find yourself alone. But Charles will be there, Conrad will be there, all our officials and the entire government machinery will do its best to always support each and every one of you through those difficult times. Through CM Elevate, another very, very innovative program and a policy we came out. The gap in the market where we had problems for transportation, hundreds of such vehicles today are plying on the road. Hundreds. I hope that one day we'll reach 1,000. And these are all for you, owned by you, run by you. I'm happy today that we are flagging off 3 or 4 of them and many, many more in the days to come. Another very important gap in the market which we realized is exactly what Honorable MLA was mentioning. The gap of logistics hub, storage space. And to fill up that gap, I want to share with the Honorable MLA and with all of you that CM Elevate is not only for vehicles. CM Elevate is a very broad program. And the idea is to support entrepreneurs, communities, societies, to be able to fund them so that they are able to reduce the gap and the challenges that they have. So apart from vehicles, you'll be happy to know that we are also funding storage spaces under CM Elevate. There is a 75-25% share, which means 75% will be paid by CM Elevate and 25% by either the society itself or any other source of funding.